Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we will be making a doorbell in Roblox Studio. First let's create a door model that we will use. And now let's make a doorbell. Now we will take this part and then insert click detector. And we will insert a script. Now we will go to toolbox and set this to audio. And now we will type doorbell. Here, this one. Perfect. Let's click insert. And here we have it in the Explorer. Let's move it inside this part. And now we can script. So script.parent.click detector, mouse click connect function player. Then we will do a print. Now let's test this. Now let's go here. We can see that our cursor had changed, and when we clicked on it, we have attempt to oh, I know. Player.name. About that. Okay, it works now. Yep. Now instead of this, we'll type script.parent and then we'll find the name of our audio, 2 dots, and play it. Let's test it. And wow, it works. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and see you in the next one.